Someone sent in a few questions about the Blue BM. I'm going to be answering them. They asked basically about the size of the tires.
Read it in Afrikaans, you're good at that.
Jo. Hi Nian, jou blou modified BMW renmotor. Wat is die grootte breedte van die wiele en remme en wat moes julle doen aan die bakstruktuur om daai wiele te maak pas?
Can I please answer it in English?
It's a 18-inch rim with a 280 tire on the front and a 300 on the rear. So you're inside, we cut quite a bit away and we bent it up and welded it back closed just to keep the structure as one and not have open spaces running into the body and the chassis. There's like 60mm cut away from a standard E36, so we actually cut all of the fender away, bent it all up, shaped the metal, and then I rolled flares and welded it in front and back. So the whole fender liner is closed up. It's not like a lot of people do. They just cut it with a grinder, cut slots, and then put it together and like put some Sikaflex there. We actually welded it all back closed. There's no place where the air can get dammed up. Did a lot of work to get it fitted, and then obviously James made a nice body kit fit over it. But with all that work and the stance that the car is on, it still touches every now and then. The tire is just extremely big to fit on it.